Good afternoon, everyone. Today, this afternoon, I'm going to take you through what we call Boolean operator. So this Boolean operator will help us if you are doing your research. So it will help you to get the right information. And in this Boolean operator, we shall use the use of and, or, or, and not. So at the first place, Boolean operator, these are words used to connect keywords to either narrow or broaden or limit search results. So the main Boolean operator are and, or, then, not. So and is used to narrow the search. For example, think of the two overlapping cycles. For example, we have cycle A, malaria, and cycle B, children. So in order for you to search and demonstrate, so especially in Google Scholar, search malaria and children. So result you'll get, according to the article, it will be talking about malaria and children only. So that is the information that you're supposed to get. So if you're searching in Google Scholar, you have to search malaria and children. So the word and meaning, you have to narrow your search into malaria and children only. Also, we have the use of or. Or is used to broaden the search. So for example, if you have two cycles, both area are included. For example, malaria A and fever B. So the result you are going to get should contain information about malaria and fever or fever. So meaning you have broadened your search, so you are going to get a wider information about the fever and malaria. If you are demonstrating, so you are going to search malaria or mosquito-borne disease. So your result articles that talk about malaria, mosquito-borne disease. Also, we have the use of not. Not is used to exclude unwanted information. Example: remove one cycle from the result. Malaria A, animal B. So if we are demonstrating, your result will contain search on malaria but not animal, meaning not is going to exclude unwanted information about animals. So you will focus on malaria. That is how we can use the Boolean operator, the work of not, or, and then and. So articles about malaria in human, it's going to be out, and also article about animal is not going to be, because you have excluded unwanted item about animals. So to demonstrate for you, you can go to one of the browser, for example Google Scholar. So here's a Google Scholar. Search Google Scholar. Google Scholar. So this is Google Scholar. You open this. So in Google Scholar, here we are going to type search on malaria. For example, let us use and malaria and children. So you can type here malaria and children. and children. So and search malaria and children here. So the article you are going to get is going to be on malaria and children. As you can see, malaria and children. So even you can find even prevention is also. So you come to this link. As you go along, you find even the videos. Are we interested in malaria and children? So tap this link. So this is how you are going to get the information about malaria and children and the author. So these are the author. So you can even download the PDF. This is how you can use. So you read about malaria and in children. So this is how you can extract the information from the Google Scholar. A lot has been written about malaria and the prevention. So this is how briefly you can uh, operate. You can use this Boolean operator. The same with the use of or and the use of not. So thank you for listening.